Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to compare the opinions of the most popular investors here on YouTube about P2P lending investing: Graham Stephan, Andrei Jikh and Ramsey. I'm sure none of those names needs introduction, so I'll go right to the topic. By the way, did you know that Graham Stephan is making $150,000 here on YouTube? Oh man, amazing! Make sure to watch this video till the end, because I will give you my 3 tips how to reduce your risk when investing in P2P lending platforms. And before that, I want you to do me a favor and smash the like button. Let us start with Ramsey.
Zach is with us in Birmingham. Hi, Zach. How are you?
Good. How are you?
Better than I deserve. What's up?
My friend and I are hobby investors, and we like to pitch ideas back and forth to each other about different investing strategies. Recently, he told me about
what is a hobby investor?
I would just have some extra money lying around. We invest it for fun, but not to get too serious with it. Just we can afford to lose it, but we also like to grow wealth with it at the same time. But it's outside of our retirement, 401ks, outside of home equity, all that stuff. It's just money on the side we invest.
All right. Is your home paid
for? Yes.
Okay, good. What's your household income?
About 60.
Okay, good. All right. And your question's what?
He told me about this new thing called peer-to-peer lending, and I was wondering if A, you've heard of it, and if B, what are your thoughts on it from the investor side?
Well, it's loaning money to people who can't get a loan anywhere else, which would be pretty stupid.
Well, the loans vary in terms of risk and interest rate, and
but they're all people. They're all people that couldn't go to the bank. If they could go to the bank, they would go to the bank. And that means they're not creditworthy, and that means these are ultra high risk loans. And no, I wouldn't play in that world, not at all, not a chance. It's a good way. It's a good way to learn a valuable lesson called losing your butt. And so no, listen. I do a lot of investing, a lot, and I don't have any money in that type of stuff, zero. And the reason's real simple. It's just it's a fad thing. It's like buying Bitcoin. It's a fad thing, and everybody's yakking about it. All these people that don't have any money are talking about it. But as I study millionaires, I don't find any millionaires, I mean 1% maybe, that are hobby investors that play in fad crap and lose their money. They buy really steady, predictable things, and they invest in that. Losing money is not a hobby of mine. It's not one I like. And so I'm not going to be doing anything in peer-to-peer at all. Zero. Zip. Nada. You do what you want to do, Zach, but you called and asked me, so that's it.
So in summary, investing in P2P lending is like buying Bitcoin. And there are no millionaires invested in P2P lending. Also, lending money to people who are not credit-worthy is stupid. And we know that Ramsey is not invested at all in P2P lending. But I checked if there are any millionaires invested in P2P lending, and actually there are a few of them. Is actually lending money to others a bad idea? Let us hear another Ramsey interview.
Is that the shortest distance between where you are and wealth is not income. It is to get control of the income that you have and not give it to other people in the form of debt.
So having control over your income and giving part of your money to others in form of debt is the formula of success. That's all for Ramsey. I don't have anything to add. Now I'm moving to the magician of finance, Andrei Jikh, with almost 1 million subscribers here on YouTube. Let us hear his opinion about P2P lending.
The second one is called P2P lending, which was introduced to me about 6 years ago. It's also called person-to-person lending. It's where companies take our investor money and they lend it out to people and small businesses that were otherwise not approved from the traditional banking system for a loan. This means they're usually higher risk, which means they have lower credit scores, which also means we get to charge them more money, and so we make more, and they get to borrow money they otherwise would have never had access to. The traditional rate of return for this is around 4 to 7%, which is good. So I'll give it a solid 5 out of 10 for both the money and the safety, because you can essentially pick and choose which way you want to go. Just be careful because it is very easy to get started. 8 out of 10 on the difficulty, which means you could just do this online in like 10 minutes, but you might not get your money back because some people won't be able to pay back their loans. Now, as far as taxes go for these investments, these are taxed at ordinary income tax rates, so I'll give it a 5 out of 10. It's not as good as capital gains, but it's okay. So 5 out of 10 for a grand total of 23 out of 40.
So if we have to sum up, he's giving the P2P lending a note 23 out of 40 or 5.75 out of 10, which is not bad in his own words. But in order to understand where is P2P lending in his opinion, we have to compare the other asset classes that he is reviewing in his interview. So for example, he is giving to the alternative investments 18 out of 40. Then we have the P2P lending 23 out of 40, royalties 26 out of 40, and the top place is for dividend investing 30 out of 40, and real estate 32 out of 40. So this means his opinion about P2P lending is not very high, but still he has said many positive things about P2P lending in his interview. Now let's go to the Graham Stephan review. He has 2.5 million YouTube subscribers here, and like I said, he's doing $150,000 a month. Let us have a look at his review at P2P lending.
I don't even know where I should start with this, so let's just start with one of the minor concerns first, and then everything else is just going to get worse from here. Now first, we have the inevitable fees, and this has got to be my least favorite word in the entire English dictionary. Every time I hear the word fee, I just like, ugh. I hate fees. Now, as an investor, Lending Club charges you a 1% fee from any monies collected from the borrower. So from whatever return you were anticipating you were gonna get, just subtract 1% from that as Lending Club's fee. Now, to me, a 1% fee seems a little bit high, especially since they're also collecting up to a 6% fee from the borrower side on this as well, and also considering that Vanguard's fee is 0.04%, and Fidelity now offers fee-free index funds that charge 0%, but you know, I guess it is what it is. 1% is 1%. I don't like fees, but there you go. It is what it is. But then we get into something interesting here. If the borrower does not pay back the money that they owe, Lending Club charges a 40% fee on any amounts collected on the delinquent loan that went to litigation, and that amount is already net of their fees and expenses. And 30% on all amounts collected on a delinquent loan in the cases not involving litigation. So now if you're anything like me, you're starting to wonder, what are the chances of actually getting my money back if a borrower just decides not to pay? So of course I did some research into this, and I found out that according to the New York Fed, only about 12 to 13% of consumers actually paid back debt collected by a third-party collections. Basically, let's call that like your chances of getting your money back are 1 in 10. So that then got me thinking even more. What are the chances that one of these borrowers is just going to default on the loan, and how often does this happen? And what I found was actually pretty shocking in that according to them, since their entire history beginning back in 2007, they've issued nearly $32 billion worth of loans, and from that, $2.5 billion has been charged off and unpaid. This means that there's a default rate of about 7.8% overall over their entire history of operation. So this means for every 100 loans you issue, chances are of those about 7.8% are not going to pay you back and are going to let that just slide and oops and walk away. So what do they end up doing in the instance where that 7.8% doesn't pay you back? Well, chances are they end up selling off your charged off loan to a third-party collections agency for pennies on the dollar. And in that case, you end up getting paid back whatever Lending Club has received with selling off your loan, minus Lending Club's take net of their fees. Which, let's be real, if you invested $25 and that went unpaid, any sort of debt collector is probably buying that debt for about 4 to 7 cents on the dollar, which means a $25 loan might only be worth about $1 to a debt collector, minus whatever lending club ends up taking from that. And keep in mind, since the borrower's agreement is between themselves and the third-party peer-to-peer lending website, you personally can't do anything about that because, again, their agreement is between the borrower and the company, not with you and the borrower. So I think it's pretty safe to say that if you invest and the borrower does not pay you back that loan, the chance of you getting paid any of that money back is pretty slim. And of course, to play devil's advocate here, it might only be like $25 here and $25 there, and it's more important to look at your overall net return and not just at what your losses are. If you could be making money from everywhere else, it doesn't matter if you get charged off here and there, but there's more to it than just that. That then brings us to our next issue here, and that is that it becomes very difficult to pull your money out. Once you invest in one of these notes, technically you're tying up your money for 3 to 5 years until that loan is paid off and matures. And that also assumes that your loan is paid off on time. If not, hypothetically, this loan could be going on even a little bit longer than that. So if you need your money any sooner than this, you're forced to sell all of your notes on the secondary market, usually for a very steep discount, which means that you might only receive back between 60 and 80% of whatever your remaining balance is. So pretty much, yeah, if you want your money out early, there's nearly no way around it. You're gonna be losing some money. And something like this is terrible for anyone who wants any sort of reasonable liquidity, just in the event some other better investment comes up and you wanna move your money into that. You're not really gonna be able to do it if your money is tied up in one of these peer-to-peer lending websites. So if you do something like this, you really gotta be okay with locking up your money for really 3 to 5 years before you're gonna be able to see the full amount back. But okay, despite that, let's say you do invest with them and you do get a decent return. Well, then the next issue that I see here, and it's a very big one, is taxes, and that this is taxed as ordinary income as per the IRS, and that means it's taxed at your highest marginal tax rate. And depending on how much money you currently make, this could end up being a lot of money. And when you compare something like that to long-term capital gains, which for most people here watching is just 15%, that becomes like a very big difference between the two. And to me, from a tax perspective, that really just doesn't make any sense because you're tying up your money anyway for 3 to 5 years, so you may as well just go for a long-term capital gains rate instead. But these peer-to-peer lending websites don't work like that, so it is what it is. It just doesn't make sense to me to do that, just from a tax perspective. But here's now where we get to the really juicy stuff, and where also I get very hesitant about ever investing in peer-to-peer lending. Now, not all, but many of these peer-to-peer borrowers don't go through traditional financing to get a loan, like through a bank. And why is this? Well, most of the time, it's because the borrower does not have the debt-to-income ratio or the credit requirements to get a loan from any sort of traditional lender. Or maybe they just don't want to go through the bank's traditional verification process to actually make sure they can pay back that loan. This means that you, as the investor, are potentially taking on debts that banks have deemed too risky to invest in, given the rate of return that's paid back to you as the investor. I almost see this personally as like you just getting the leftovers of what like the banks didn't want to invest in, given that they have the funds and the scalability to issue loans right now at pretty cheap rates. And with that concern in mind, Lending Club assumes no risk in analyzing the credit worthiness of the borrower, as noted by what they say here in their fine print, which by the way took me forever to find this, so hit the like button. Member loans are made without obtaining any documentation of the borrower applicant's ability to afford the loan. And then you have this gem sentence right here. Although we may perform income verification, the platform's underwriting, credit, and pricing decisioning may be based on stated borrower income rather than the verified income. And this here is exactly what I'm most worried about, and that is stated income. When's the last time we saw people using stated income? Oh right, that was like 2006 and 2007. So from my perspective, there's really nothing much preventing someone from going on this website, putting in their stated income as something that's not entirely unbelievable, then getting a loan from that and then running off and never paying it back. And I just have a feeling, I have no proof of this, but I have a feeling that this happens more often than what you would think. And sure, something like this will eventually go on their credit report as a collections and it will ding their credit, but for someone who who doesn't care about that and isn't necessarily trying to get loan after loan. If they just want to do this a few times, this just seems absolutely ripe for abuse for anyone who wants to take advantage of this. Especially if Lending Club isn't personally verifying all of their income and debts and everything else that they state is true on their application. And yes, it is true that lying on an application like this is fraud, but what are the chances that any of these peer-to-peer lending websites are really going to go after someone and prove that they lied on an application when it's simply easier just to write it off as a loss, sell it off to a third-party collections agency, and then move on to whatever's next. And what makes this even worse though when it comes to default rates is that this will absolutely increase if the economy worsens or goes into any sort of recession. This is basically the first thing that people stop paying whenever they lose their job or fall on hard times is any unsecured debts like credit card debts and personal loans. Because they think, what are companies going to collect from me if I have nothing to give them? And these debts are not secured against anything else, and the answer is pretty much they're gonna get nothing. Many of these companies just end up selling off that debt to a third-party collections agency. The borrower just ends up getting some angry phone calls for a few years. Eventually it stops, it goes away, they got the money, and then after 7 years, their credit report is as good as new. And this leads me to think that whenever our economy worsens, whenever that might be, you're going to see the returns you'll get from peer-to-peer lending drop substantially as more and more charge-offs occur. And this is really at a time where if the economy falters and goes down in price, this is the precise opportunity where you want access to your money to be able to take advantage of a lot of the low prices out there and continue buying elsewhere. But oh wait, I totally forgot you can't do that because your money is tied up for 3 to 5 years in peer-to-peer lending.
We can see that he has a lot of concerns when we talk about P2P lending, and some of them are similar to Dave Ramsey's. For example, why would you lend money to someone when the bank doesn't want to lend him? And I agree about some of his points, like for example the lack of liquidity. When you see some other opportunities rising, your money are tied to the P2P lending platforms and you cannot use them immediately into these opportunities. For example, this happened in March 2020, and I wished I didn't have so much heavily invested in P2P because I could buy some stocks when they were so cheap back in March. But we always learn some new things on the way to FIRE, so this is why I have created this YouTube channel to share with you my mistakes and that you can learn from them. Now let's go to the 3 tips that I promised about reducing your risk when investing on the P2P lending platforms. The first tip that I can give you: don't chase ridiculously high interest rates, because if something looks too good to be true, it usually is. So when you see an interest rate which is above 16 or 18%, I would stay away from those loans. Trust me, this is from my experience. Second tip: diversify. Not only across loan originators and across different loans on one platform, but also diversify between platforms. And the third and most important tip: don't just trust to randomly guys on YouTube, in this case me. Always do your own due diligence when you want to invest and when you do your decision about where to put your money to work for you. So stay healthy and see you again with my next video.